how it works. So you use this and you slide just like the volume, and that shows it how fast I want it to go. So if I go halfway, it'll go half the velocity. And then forwards, backwards, left, right. Here's another emergency stop button. This is a wake up, and this is a go to sleep. And then these four buttons say the status. Yes?
Is that an app?
Yes, it's an app that I made.
You made it?
Yes.
So anyone can get it now, or is it just...
Well, I didn't put it for sale because, well, I don't think anybody would buy it because it's connected only to this robot. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah. So I
Yes.
would buy it.
Go ahead.
What's top speed?
Oh, not that fast, actually. It's probably about 10 miles an hour. Because this is very heavy.
So, yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. Was there another question? Did you have? Okay, so the thing is, when I first started doing this, they said, we want you to make a robot to do this. We want you to model our rovers that are on the moon. And I had to think about, well, what kind of wheels did I want? What kind of motors did I want? Did I want gasoline? Well, it's hard to get gasoline to Mars, right? So I decided to do electric motors, electric batteries, and then I thought about what kind of computers I wanted to use to take to Mars. I was given a problem, and I was told, you know, take 10 weeks, research it, figure out the best solution to the problem, and then use your creative skills to design a robot that will do what we need to have. Go ahead.
How long is the charge life on this?
Actually, it's really funny, but the iPod died before the robot did. So that was something that we didn't expect. We thought that this rover, which is really heavy and designed to carry 800 pounds, so probably about 8 of you could ride on top of it, you know, we thought that the batteries were not going to last very long. But we got brand new batteries that were very kind of high tech and very expensive. And we used our normal battery from the iPod, and we were surprised that the iPod, all it did was send commands, died before the robot.
So it died faster?
Yes.
Like the battery?
Yeah. So it was really, really interesting. Yes?
You know, I was just gonna ask the same question as you. So this robot, you know, if like on Mars, what if like when it runs out of energy and does it go to work?
Well, the ones that are on Mars right now, what they use is photovoltaic cells, which get their energy from the sun. So they have batteries, but they refill the batteries during the daytime, and they can travel. Maybe it takes one day to refill the batteries, where they just sit there in the sun, and then the next day they can travel more, and they sit still. Or sometimes if if the photovoltaic cell is really big, the rover can move and generate its own power from the sun at the same time. Yes?
Phoenix, right?
Right, exactly. So so basically what I had to do there was my own engineering. I took a problem, I researched the problem, I looked at what I had to do, and then I designed. So that's how engineers create. Yes?
Did you do it all by yourself, or did you have any partners to help you?
I did it all by myself, but I had 3 mentors, people who actually worked at NASA, and told me one guy was very good at mechanical systems, like the tires and the wheels. One guy was very, very good at the circuit system, so he helped me with all the circuits. And then the third guy was good at the software. And so whenever I had questions, I always went to them and asked. Whenever I decided, I really like these batteries and I want to use these batteries, but I'm not sure. I talked to all 3 of them and they said, yeah, that's a great choice, or, you know, you should think about this type of battery. So I always asked for advice from these 3 mentors. Yes?
What if there's like a rock about the size of a laptop?
Right.
And what if the rover didn't go over it?
Well, there's problems like that which are obstacle avoidance. Now that sounds kind of complicated, but basically what we can do is we can put a camera on the front of the rover and it looks for the horizon. Can you imagine the horizon over there? It's really, really flat, right? It's really similar like that in Mars because there's no, trees.